Hello kid, hope you are doing great today. Today we are doing making pairs. Before that, if you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join the object which go together by joining them with a line. One is done for you. Check it. We have to do join the same object which is go together. Lock, key, pencil, go together, eraser. Match pencil and eraser. Next, rose. Rose, butterfly loves rose. Match rose. Cup goes with plate. It is plate, match plate. Jeans, match with shirt. Match shirt. That's all for today, kids. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe.